So I was recording my screen for the mentees, just randomly selecting a property on Rightmove, and I clicked this property, but I didn't really want a HMO, but I clicked on a HMO and I was like, okay, whilst I'm in here, I had a quick look. So it's available now. 8 double bedrooms, right? Spec looks really cool. Look at these properties. Look at these bedrooms, all ready to go. The rent doesn't look too bad at all, and it's available right now, furnished. I always say just call anyway, but if you just want to analyze it quickly before you make a phone call, this is what you do. You open up Google Maps, you put in the location here, and it will pull up the road. Zoom in, click a property, then you've got the postcode, and it's M14. Then go over to SpareRoom, put in the address here. That's not the full address, but it was M14. That's all you need. It's the first section of the postcode. 223 properties available. Look at that, 993 people looking for rooms. So that's a good ratio, that's perfect, right? That just shows there's heavy demand. And if you click this button here, check average rents in this area. I've scanned down here, so I don't exactly know which area it is in. So I took the average for all the double rooms with bills included. Double, yes, right? So that's doubles with bills included. Write the figures down and I come to an average of 650. So then what you do is you get your calculator. So if you put 650 times 8, that's the revenue you're going to bring in. 5,200. So that's a cool revenue. And if you've got a calculator, you can be really accurate. You know, you can go on the council website, find out exactly what property it is, but we don't know which one it is. I'll have a look at the postcode and take an average, see if this brings anything up. No, we need the full postcode. M146LW. M146LW is the postcode of that road. Okay, so they're all looking about 2,000. Well, they're all 1940. Perfect. So now we know the council tax, even though we don't know the actual address. 1940 is an 8-bed as well, so 480 in gas and electric. So that's controlled gas and electrics. That's not let the tenants do what they want. That's installing a landlord's thermostat. And then yeah, these typical expenses such as broadband, a cleaner, that might be a bit more expensive, being an 8-bed, TV license and gardener. Okay, if it has a garden. So then it was 650 per room on average. That's what people are willing to pay. That's not what we're dictating in rent. That's what people are willing to pay. So we're bringing in a revenue of 5,200. Let's say we want to make a profit of £800. Our maximum offer to the landlord as rent to maintain that profit is £3,500. And just to prove that, I'm going to go up here and put 3,500. The profit is 824. And if we look at what the landlord is looking for, it's 2,933. Okay, so let's put that in the calculator. 2,933. If we pay the asking price, our profit is 1,400. That's insane. And that's before I've even made a phone call. That's an excellent deal right there. So now we know that. Let's give the agent a call and find out if it is open to company let.
Rightmove is connecting you. You've reached the Good Group Ltd. We're sorry we missed your call.
It's a shame they didn't answer. It's a real shame, actually. That's essentially what I would have said if they did answer is, no, I'm looking at this property on Madfield Road. The property looks amazing. It's just what I'm looking for. I didn't see it in the description. Can I ask you, is the landlord open to a company let on this one? And just find out if they are. If they are, get a viewing. Perfect. If they're not, just ask why not. Just say, okay, any particular reason why you don't work with company lets? Find out why. If you get certainty that they don't work with company lets, that's it. You don't need to call again. All right, cool. So let me know in the comments if you want the HMO calculator. If you do, type calculator and I'll send it to you. I hope this video was helpful. Leave me a like if it was. Cheers, guys. See you on the next one.